Welcome to Phonics and Fables. This course helps your child master important literacy skills through the magic of storytelling. It features an original fable called Sharing the Pond, brought to life through a handmade puppet theater.
Greetings, everybody! Quack, 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 quack. It's time for my sun tanning session.
Oh dear, what an entrance! As children listen to the story, they'll hear words with the target consonant blends. They'll then recognize spelling patterns and use those words to write sentences. Students will summarize the fable and put key events in order, helping them understand how stories are structured and how to identify important moments. The course also includes an exciting board game designed to reinforce the target words and make learning interactive. Plus, you'll receive a simplified text of Sharing the Pond. During 2 read-along sessions with me, your child will follow the story and work toward reading it independently. At its heart, the fable delivers a moral lesson, highlighting values important now more than ever.
I can't believe what I'm hearing. Wait, calm down, everyone. I just want to live in peace.
Phonics and Fables is a self-paced course with engaging video lessons that fit into your schedule. It's designed to help your child develop reading, writing, and storytelling skills. So join me in this space where we can share our love for literacy.